Hello viewers, let's block and unblock any contact number from obnoxious calls in Android phone. Now go directly to your dialer or phone book and then open contact. Now click on the number and click this I like sign when it appears. So click three dots above more and now block contact appears. So click it and once again click block. Now you can see block sign against all the numbers above mentioned contact. Now in case if I call from the same number, so it won't bother me. You can see right now I am calling from block number. Only I can see the contact and dialed list with the block sign. To unblock it, repeat the same process and click three dots above more, and now in place of block, unblock contact is available, so click unblock and you will shortly see the block signs against each number in red circle will disappear. Now I can receive call from the number and there is no issue. Thanks for watching.